Using Control Panel Style 1. On the Extron Control Panel screen, tap Turn System On. In the top left corner, tap Screen. You can choose the device you wish to display on the screen, such as a laptop connected to HDMI, the Blu-ray player, document camera, or Sign App. The blank screen option will stop the currently selected image from projecting. Tap back to your previous selection to show it on the screen again. To adjust audio levels for your microphone in the room, tap the In-Room Audio button. To adjust audio levels for your microphone when using Zoom, Panopto, or Teams, tap the Zoom Panopto Audio button. To adjust audio levels for the sound coming over speakers in the classroom, adjust the volume up or down on the audio controls to the right of the control panel. Just a tip on audio for your classroom: if you do not hear audio coming out of the speakers, try muting and unmuting the audio for the room. When you are finished, tap Home. Choose Turn System Off.